see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place?
Good morning guys! Today is Sunday, January 30. And si Holly ready na siya guys. Ako nakaligo na, binublower ko lang yung buhok ko. Sunday, January 30. And alis kami, punta kayo ng IKEA. Then baka i-meet din namin yung mga girls ulit. Hindi pa sure. Pero ngayon ang ginagawa ko binublower ko lang yung aking buhok. Kasi basa pa siya. So, namaya na lang guys. Tapusin ko lang to. Eh, nakalimutan ko i-charge to. Charge ko na to kasi wala tayo. Ano ba to? Wala na tayong battery. Okay, mamaya na lang. Tapusin ko lang to guys. Guys, dito kami sa car. Papunta na kayo ng IKEA. Stop lang si Jan dito sa OTR. Kuha siya ng coffee. And yung mga bata, tingnan nyo yung damit nila. Ayaw nila mag-BS kasi raw, sa pub lang daw naman nila sinuot. Hindi naman daw sila naglaro. Kaya, taran, same clothes. Except kay Holly. Hi, Baba.
I'm thirsty, Dad.
Alright. You want orange juice? Apple juice? Apple juice?
Strawberry juice?
You don't drink that one. No, you don't drink.
I'll go for orange juice, please.
Orange juice, please. So, yan. Tingnan niyo.
We might go into the inflatables.
Are you?
Maybe if it's not packed, then it's, of course it's going to be packed.
Naiwan na dyan yung mask niya. Yan, ano? Tapos kayo ni Holly, punta kayo ng IKEA, sila sa inflatable if it is not packed. Habang kami ni Holly ay naghanap ako ng hindi ko rin alam yung hinahanap ko. Joke. Mirror, tapos yung basket na meron ako sa bahay. Gusto ko pang bumili nun. Sana meron pa. Yung parang banig. Kung sa Bicol, ang tawag namin dun, banig. Yung bilog. So, kinuha ni dyan ng apple juice yung mga bata. Tsaka orange juice. And wala yung coffee ni Johnny Boy. Ito yung kinuha niya. Yeah. So, punta na tayo ng IKEA. Dito na tayo.
I tile.
Dito na po tayo.
Dad, what's that? At true A. Like.
What at tray.
I go for blue.
Guys, change of plan. Kasama ko na sila lahat. Kasi sobrang init kung pupunta sila sa inflatables. Kung saan man sila pupunta dapat. So yeah, kasama natin sila lahat. And doon yung mga boys. Sobrang init ngayon. Mas mainit ngayon kaysa kahapon. Dito tayo sa loob. I think we're gonna go up, babe. I think we're gonna go up. Dito tayo sa baba. Hindi tayo akyat, guys. Malamig. Sarap ng aircon dito. Riga, Rohan. So, tingin-tingin pa tayo. Come on. Riga. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Meron ako nitong dalawa. Yung may puti ang design. So, kuha ulit ako nito. Ha? Si Holly parang baby. Are you a baby? Wala na sila yung may white. Yung akin kasi may white yung dito ba. Tapos ganito sa taas. Wala na sila. Wala akong makita dito. So, siguro, eto na lang. Eto na lang kunin ko. Okay. So, pili lang tayo, guys. Ano? What?
Dad, close it.
Why I'm gonna close this? What Dad said?
Dad said hurry up.
Oh. Okay, here.
No one likes going shopping.
Oh, I know.
You said it's going to be quick.
Yeah, just wait.
Taking one thing at a time. Which one?
Wait, I'm
These
just...
three?
No.
How much do you need for what?
4,
What are
okay.
these for?
Huh?
These for?
Yes, I need that. Secret. For my stuff. Okay. I don't know. Boy, why you pass it to Holy Girl? You alright, Baba? You're not alright. Okay, give it to me. Kuya, thank you. Meron silang mirror dito, pero hindi yung hinahanap ko. Yung pwede lang bang ipatayo? Ito kasi parang minamount siya eh. Ayan. Ito pala yung ating OOTD guys. Oh. Don't touch.
Boring at shopping.
Nagreklamo to.
I wish I can buy this one.
It's boring?
Yeah, it is.
No, you don't need that,
You have
Baba.
to hold stuff and you can't even ask where the trolleys are.
I told you before we come and get
trolleys?
Not sure. Yes, Baba. Come on.
They need.
Kuha ko nito. Bed tray. Nasaan na yung mga kasama ko? Nagmamadali ang mga yun eh. Iniwan ako. Ayan. Have you seen it, huh? Zachary, cart. Oh, just one, huh? Kuya. Oh, ngayon. Nag-aagawan kung sino magpupush. Hindi mo si Zach. Yes.
Different one. That's the
This one, this is the one. Yes, si Zach. Who's that, Zach? Ah. Can you give me that one first time? That basket. Give me the basket. This is- So, kuha nun siya ng 4. Offer kang tutulong ka. Sige nga. Watch your head. I think we're good, Han.
Yep.
Okay.
Wow.
Let's go. You alright, Baba?
Yeah, but pull away.
Careful, Kuya.
Mommy, I wanna go.
Bayad na tayo, guys.
Mama, maple some.
Ask Daddy. Nagmamadali si Daddy. Sa taas yun eh.
And then,
Thank you. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Thank you. Si Jan nauna na para ilagay sa car yung mga pinamili. Kami dito magla-line up kasi yung mga bata gusto nila ng meatballs. Si Sak umalis dito sa pila. Naiihi na siya. So, pumunta na siya dun sa daddy niya. Pa-order na tayo, guys. And bumili rin ako ng gravy. Tsaka eto. So, kumuha tayo ng take-away meatballs. 3 take-away meatballs. Si Kuya. Ha? Oh. Mustard kay, mustard. Hotdog with mustard kay Kuya. Not yet, wait, yeah. That's it? Okay, thank you. Okay, alis na tayo, guys. Wait lang. Dito na tayo sa car, guys. Alcohol. Si Kuya, ang kinuha niya, mustard lang daw. And then sabi niya, what did you say about the
Sweden.
about Sweden mustard daw is
can I have
good.
mine?
Sorry. Right, pakita lang natin sa people kung ano yung
Grab one?
sa kanila.
Yeah. I just want
Ay, hindi ko man mabuksan. Let's wait.
wooden. Wooden Sweden.
Ayan,
Everyone else have wooden now.
meatballs. Kita nyo guys, yan. So, ganito lahat. Here, coming. Sit down, sit down.
I'm hungry. That's mine. Yep, thank you.
Don't spill, okay? Don't spill.
Dad
Put your seatbelt.
Dad got some veggies with his.
Yeah, put your seatbelt, please.
That's mine.
It's hot, Baba. It's very hot.
I don't care.
I don't care. It's hot. Wait a sec.
No, I don't like it.
Wait, Baba. Okay, guys.
I want it hot.
No, it's very hot.
This mustard is nice.
Nice.
The chips.
How's yours, Kuya? Sak?
Could I have one of someone's eyes?
Sak, can you share?
I'm hungry.
Come on.
Starving.
Share, please. She has here. You can.
What's wrong?
Of course you
Because
guys. You're
give
having,
it to
I'm
Holly
having
Hand.
one
Take
of
the
your
lid off so it
meatballs.
can get cooled.
I'm having one of
you
your
do it.
meatballs. Yeah, she's getting one of your meatballs.
Hoy, here, Holly. Make sure your seat belt is already. No, your arms.
Where's the fork?
She has it. Oh. Your arms, please. Okay.
That's just
Other way, babe. Other way, babe.
Look.
My meatball back. Can I have that?
Show your hands, Holly.
Hands, Baba.
Mom, what's that sauce on it?
It's gonna be hot in your legs.
That's right. That's what I told you.
What are these red stuff?
That's the
Right.
jam, like a jam.
It's bad.
No, it's not bad. Okay. Ito yun yung jam, guys.
Sit down under there. Lift it up.
Put something.
There.
Struggle is real.
Close your legs.
Binagyan ni Jan ng something sa legs niya.
Right.
Kasi
Lean
mainit.
over it.
Okay,
Don't spill
careful. Alright, let's
How
go.
is my mash?
No mash. No mash. Ubus na. Get my sauce there. I know, it's alright.
I should have got two.
Hindi, I asked you if you want two. You said no, just one.
I thought they were big ones.
No, it's not. Alright. Alright, kain na rin ako, guys.
Oh, Dad, told
Dito
her
kami
they
sa
do
may,
have
ano
one.
guys,
They do have one.
West Beach.
West Beach is good. Mom, I can see the inflatable from here.
Ayan.
I can
Oh,
see the
excited na sila.
inflatables.
Punta tayo dito sa,
Mini
ano,
fly, mini park.
inflatable dito, guys. So,
Yeah, because that many here, Holly, chippies.
excited. Akin na, ya. Akin na.
Dad, it's not packed. It's packed.
Punta tayo
Aw.
dito. Yeah, it's full. Look.
Just go in there now.
Oh, check it. Daddy will check it first. Pero parang puno kasi nasa labas nga ang mga
There's no
car
one on the
eh.
big one. I want to go on the big wedge. No one's going on the big one, Dad. I can go on there.
Where? Wow. May patubig pala yung inflatable,
Which
oh.
The big one.
Kaya okay lang kahit
Up top
mainit.
there.
May nagra-run na water. Kita nyo yan, guys. Diyan gusto pumunta ng mga
Oh, I want to watch that guy go down. What, is the thing gonna go flying down? Holly can go on that one. It's a little wedgie. I don't like that. Dad,
Oh,
you have
yeah.
to go on the sides.
Those steps.
Huh? The steps are in the middle. So Tia, we're gonna race it now. Why am I going on there? Because of Dad. Can we, Dad? I've
never been at
the inflatables before, Dad. Go back home. Let's go back to Comfort Inn and get us swimming. Yeah. Dad's not gonna. He's not gonna do it. I want to go on the big wedge. Oh, there's a jump. There's a jump on it. Look, you go down and see the jump.
Have you seen that, yeah?
What?
Have you seen that?
Oh, yeah. When you go down the big thing.
Yeah, you see that? It's just
I
like,
think you got jump into the water. Dad, do I need Dad, can we go? Can we go? Can we go?
see that? See the kids? Have you seen? Hindi nyo makita, guys.
But Dad won't let us go.
Well, if it's full,
Mom, do you want us to go?
It depends to daddy.
We've never been here, so why would I have to go and try? Please? He's moving.
Are you done, Holly?
I don't like the sauce. The big dude at the
You
top.
finished the meatballs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, there's no light.
Di pa nakakain, guys. And golf. Dito si Kuya before nag-golf. Nakapunta na tayo dyan, guys. Kasama natin si Sak din. Naglaro nun si Sak. Hindi pa namin alam kung pupunta kami dun sa inflatable, guys. Kasi daming tao. Puno yung parking nila. And kinakain ko yung tira ni Kuyang chips. Tira ni Holing chips. Naubos siya yung meatballs. And yung akin talaga andito pa.
Dad, you're taking a longer one.
What lake is this, babe? May nadadaanan tayong lake.
I know we're going there.
Papunta na tayo dito before, guys. Nagtitingin tayo ng bahay na design ng mga bahay. This is the one? No, not this one.
Little
This one? Ah, yeah, that's the massive one. At the back.
I'm going on the one.
Yeah.
God, are we going back?
Na, yan. Laki ng bahay na yun. Hindi tayo magagandang bahay.
Yeah.
Madadaan kasi natin sila pa balik sa hotel. Yeah, that's one, alright?
That's a 3-story.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. Want you next to me.